What's up, guys? It's Tom with StockedUp. Today's definitely been one of the craziest trading days of the year. The S&P 500 has fallen down significantly and then risen back up upon Trump's announcement. I'll be going over exactly why this happened, why Trump made his announcement, and why the S&P 500 rose so much towards the end of the day. As you guys know, Iran has definitely been on the forefront of the president's agenda. He went ahead and made that announcement today regarding not using military action on them and instead imposing sanctions. Now, this is a lot better for us than imposing military action. If we were going to impose military action on them, we would pretty much be starting a full-blood war. So what we went ahead and did is we went ahead and created sanctions, and Iran is backing down. So that's very good for us, very good for the Middle East and a lot of other countries, and that is why our stocks went ahead and flew up this afternoon. Now, a lot of people were expecting the market to go down because they were expecting Trump to go ahead and make an announcement saying that we were going to be pretty much going to war over there and sending a lot more troops, doing a lot more airstrikes, and being a lot more active militarily over there. So you can see right around here is whenever Trump made his announcement, and the market just went ahead and popped from there. You can see the market did pop from its low last night very significantly today, 2% if you're going to count it from the low of last night. But a lot of people are going to count it from right here at the open this morning, which was up here. So yeah, you can see that it went ahead and broke and hit a new high, and expect it maybe to hit new highs tomorrow. The only thing to watch for is that if Iran retaliates against our sanctions, then we will definitely have a problem on our hands, and the market will tank a lot harder, because if Iran's still coming after us after this, then we're pretty much definitely going to be going to war, and the next announcement will not go as well as this one. It will definitely, you'll see a big red jackknife down just like that. Now, there's a few different ways that we can play this announcement. You can see that the stock today, SPY, went ahead and hit new highs, which is the S&P 500 hitting a new high. And you can see that it went ahead and hit new highs and then fell slightly back down towards the end of the day. Now, what you could do is you could go ahead and buy calls tomorrow. If you're expecting the market to go ahead and go up again tomorrow based on this announcement, buy calls. I personally was buying calls yesterday because I was expecting the market to go up today. Now, a lot of people were expecting the market to go down, but the thing is that you got to look at this in a sense of that we're going to try to avoid World War III at all costs. So, of course, yeah, we're not going to make an announcement saying that we're going to go to war, especially right before an election. That's all the president needs right before an election, is to make an announcement regarding war and crash the markets. Everybody will be on him, on his case very, very hard during the election, saying about the war and everything like that. So that's the big factor that you have to look at, is those elections. Now, what I would go ahead and consider is maybe if Trump gets elected to another term, then maybe we could look at the market going down, because once he gets reelected, he'll have a lot more flexibility because it's his last term and he doesn't have to worry about getting reelected again. So that's a big factor that helps a presidency, at least maybe not help them, but it helps them be able to push their own agenda forward without as much constraint from public opinion. Right now, he's very worried about public opinion on him because he wants to get reelected, obviously, just like any politician would.